This is a screencast about mixed numbers with fractions. So a mixed number has a whole number part and a fraction part. It represents an amount larger than the whole. So we talked about a fraction such as 3/4, meaning less than 1. A fraction is an amount that's less than the whole. However, mixed numbers is when we mix up whole numbers and fractions. So 1 and 3/4 means one whole piece, one whole thing, plus a fractional amount of the second thing. So we have one whole cake and 3/4 of the other cake. So if we come over here, we have 1 and 3/4 of pizza because we have one whole pizza and 3/4 of another pizza. So we'll look at how does that look on a number line. So when we're trying to look at whole mixed numbers on a number line, then this line represents two whole numbers. So we're going to get our pen out here. So we have two whole numbers. It's 2, and then it's a fraction. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So my denominator is 5. And we have 2 of those, so 2 and 2/5, because we have one whole thing, two whole things, and part of a third. We don't have the whole part, so it's not 3, it's almost 3. So it's two whole things and 2/5 of a third thing. So let's look at page 539 in your book, because this goes with the example that's there. And it says to write an equation that represents each mixed number as a sum of a whole number and unit fractions. All that means is we're going to take this, let me go back. We're going to take this whole number and we're going to break it down into ones. So we have a one thing plus another thing plus another thing, that's 3, plus 1/4. And that's it. That's all it's asking you to do is we take this whole number, break it down into ones, and then add a fourth. So this is the same thing as this. 3 and 1/4, 3 and 1/4. On the next page, number 1, it says Alex has one whole orange. So he has one whole orange and 1/4 of a second orange. So here's a second orange into fourths, and he has 1/4 of that. So we're going to write this in a mixed number. So that means he has 1 and 1/4. And that is it. That's all there is to it. It's mixed numbers, and it is what it is, mixed numbers. It's mixing up whole numbers and fractions.